So here we have Plant-B08, and again, it's growing in the same condition, net pot, nylon wick, and this is going to be its forever home. When I'm looking at this plant, I'm looking for anything that needs to be removed that is being overcrowded, and this picture in the middle is overcrowding, so I will remove this like so, making sure not to disturb anything else around it. And sometimes the picture just doesn't behave. Okay, so that's removed. Underneath you'll find this one that it was covering, so I'll remove that as well. On here, this one is interfering with some growth above, and then I'm going to move this picture over a little bit and try not to bruise it, so it has a chance to form. Both of these are juvenile, so not going to be expecting much from them. And then this picture down here is keeping the others from coming down, so I'll move it aside so it'll make some room, or I'll just remove it like so, and now there's more room. And if I turn it around, this picture is not doing so hot. There's another one underneath. This one is a little bit old. But this is going to be a mature picture, and it's going to be a large plant. So what I'm going to do is let this one grow, but I will remove this one. That way energy will be channeled to this one, creating a bigger trap. Then I'll rotate it a little bit, take a look. No interference. This picture is one of the first originals, so, and it is crowding out the one in the back. This one doesn't seem to have any function because it's blocked out. So what I'm going to do is remove you. And how am I going to find the base of your trap? Okay. Move this a little bit. And if you can see right here, okay. So I'll remove this. There we go. So now we have more breathing room for the things underneath. Okay, so that looks good. Turn it some more. Okay, looks like there is a little tiny picture. I don't know if you guys know, you guys cannot see it. Way in here. Let me see if you guys can see if I shine a light on it. Nope. Let me see if I turn it a little bit more. Can you guys see it now? There you go. You see the little tiny lid? Okay, I'll need to remove that. And there's another little picture that needs to be removed. There you go. And while I'm here, it looks like, okay, that's good. Okay, I can remove that petiole. And here's another growing tip. Okay. All right. This one is not going to do much, so I'll go ahead and remove that as well. You know what? I'll go ahead and leave it. It's for the synthetic, so leave it be. But overall, we're done. So as you can see, it really doesn't take that long to manicure these guys. It just takes longer because I'm filming. And now I'm going to feed these two pictures over here. So a little bit, and a little bit, and then top it off with regular distilled or purified water, further diluting the solution. So this will ensure that they're not overwhelmed with the fertilizer. And that's it. Should I? Yeah, maybe. I'll also feed this one. It looks a little bit hungry, ready to eat. Just a little bit. And top it off. Okay. So, what do you think about this one, guys? Thank you for watching and have a great day.